Hello, this is our Fingerprint fingerprint padlock. This is a new one. Right now it's an empty state. Any finger you can open it. Any finger. Right now I'm going to set administrator fingerprint. Press your finger on the panel for 3 seconds. You will hear a short beat and then you start to seal. Put 10 times and do some small movement. When you hear long beat, it means successful. So this is administrator fingerprint. Open it. Another finger cannot. Okay, so we're going to set user fingerprint. Use our administrator finger, press the panel for 3 seconds until red light and blue light flash. And press one more time. Start to set input user fingerprint for 10 times. When you hear long beat, it means successful. So you can open now. Only administrator finger can open and the user's finger can open it. Others cannot. Right now I'm going to cancel all the fingerprint. Use your administrator finger again, press the panel for 3 seconds and keep press for 3 seconds. When you see the red light flash, you move up and put one more time. When you hear long beat, it means successful. Right now it's empty state. So any finger you can open it right now. It's cancelled.